Good morning, everyone.
Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Mubarak. We're so excited. It is raining outside, but we're going downtown.
We're going to an inside place.
We're going to an inside place. We're going to go and do our Eid prayer, and they have some really awesome stuff for kids there too.
Join us. Beautiful wrapping paper.
What is this? It's pink.
What is it? It's a box. Your own very own box.
Hosanna, flip it around. Turn it.
Whoa.
What is it?
Wow, that looks like a
That's why
real
you have
baby.
That's why she had that. She said.
Wow.
Look on the collector's guide.
You want to open them up?
I don't want to.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a real baby.
And the on or off?
Wow. It looks like she's gonna open her eyes.
Okay.
It looks like she's
Here's the bottle for the baby,
What
Zainab.
a beautiful baby.
What do you think about your new baby doll? Is she special? Do you love her?
I think she's better than any baby doll.
There's your baby stuff.
Whoa! I knew it! I knew this is what it would be!
Wow.
I wanted a JK one, but now
All right, everybody. So we finally made it home after what seemed like a very long time.
Yeah, we woke up at 7:30 this morning, and then the kids slept on the way home, which was great because now they're opening presents.
She also slept on the way home.
I also slept.
I did not sleep on the way home, thank God, because I was driving.
Yes, and it was good. The whole event was great. The carnival was great. This is actually our first Eid post-COVID. Well, not really post-COVID.
Not really post.
But since like everything has opened up, and it was great.
Yeah, there was tons of people. To all the people who stopped and wanted pictures with us, thank you so much. We love you guys. They had a petting zoo. They had the carnival rides. They had the blow-up rides, bouncy castles.
Yeah.
And it was really good. The kids had a lot of fun. And the kids were, afterwards, they were just like, let's go home.
They were really tired. They were like,
open presents.
Let's just go home and open Eid presents. And yeah, and we're going to be doing like an Eid party with a couple of our closest friends in a couple days. I don't know if I'll film that, but we'll see. Maybe the spread I might film. I don't know. But other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. It was a crazy, hectic, quick vlog, but we thought we would just kind of take you along for the day.
Bye, everybody. Assalamu alaikum.